Once upon a time, there was a boy named Leo who dreamed of adventures across the vast sky. One day, Leo decided to fold a very special paper airplane. Not just a toy, but a magic flying ship that could take him anywhere in the world, powered only by his imagination. As Leo gently blew on the wings and launched it into the air, the paper airplane soared past buildings, gardens, and parks in his little town. He imagined himself piloting the plane across the deep blue ocean, over snowy mountain peaks, and even among sparkling stars in the night sky. Leo's story reminds us that no matter how young we are, with imagination and determination, we can fly anywhere, not just in the real world, but into the dreams and bright futures waiting for us.